$1 billion. That's the hefty price tag for this new desalination plant in Carlsbad, California, about 60 kilometers or 35 miles north of San Diego. Advocates of the massive project say desperate times due to the ongoing drought call for desperate measures.
We're in a very difficult position, and that's what makes desalination a reasonable consideration at this point in time for the future of our economy.
Set to go online by the end of this year, the Carlsbad plant, headed by private contractor Poseidon Resources, will produce nearly 190 million liters, or 50 million gallons of water per day. That's about 7% of San Diego County's water needs. On the face of it, desalination seems to be the answer to California's water woes, given the state's coastal location. But it's not so simple. Desal critics say it's too costly and environmentally harmful.
The water isn't free, not financially and not environmentally. There are serious impacts to marine life, water quality. It increases greenhouse gas emissions, which affects our climate change.
Critics point out that the process of desalination takes a huge amount of energy. Water is pumped from the ocean to bays where it's filtered using high pressure and the salt extracted through reverse osmosis. The diluted brine then is put back in the ocean. Desal technology has come a long way, but the latest advancements cost more. Critics of the Carlsbad plant claim the project is using cheaper, outdated methods.
It's a bad example for California. It's a dinosaur desal plant is our nickname for Carlsbad.
Dinosaur or not, Carlsbad is just one of 15 California desal plants either in the building, planning, or reactivation stages, including this $34 million plant in Santa Barbara. It was built during an earlier drought, but mothballed in 1992 after the rains came back. Australia dealt with something very similar back in 2006. It invested $12 billion in 6 desalination plants. But by 2012, 4 were taken offline when the drought ended. That's the risk of desal investment. But state and city officials are willing to take on that risk as they face one of the worst droughts in California history. May Lee, CCTV, Los Angeles.